Jed here to demonstrate how to use the Find Me Follow Me option to set up the call flow for an extension with the GoTo desktop app. Find Me Follow Me also provides quick call forwarding options. With GoTo, calls do not need to end when they reach a single destination. If unanswered, you can establish where the call is forwarded to. Calls can even be transferred to external phone numbers. With the GoTo desktop app, users can manage the Find Me Follow Me rules for their extensions. Admins or super admins can manage the Find Me Follow Me options for any extension in GoTo Admin. See the video link in the description for more information. I'll use the desktop app for this video, but GoTo can be accessed at this site. I've already signed in as Ryan Noble. Take note of the left navigation menu. You may see different icons here depending on what options are available with your GoTo plan. If you are not there already, click the phone icon. Click the line selection section. If you have more than one extension assigned to you, you'll want to select the desired one here. If you have a desk phone, you'll see the same extension listed twice. If so, select the desired extension associated with the soft phone. If you choose a different extension, the GoTo app will quickly restart with the new extension. Click your profile picture in the top right corner. Then select Settings. Choose Voice. Then select Find Me Follow Me. With Find Me Follow Me, you can set up a choose-your-own adventure for what happens when this extension is dialed. The call will first be routed to the first step. If the call is not answered, it will proceed through the remaining steps on this list. Let's start with the first step. For the extension type drop-down list, you can select internal or external. I'll keep it as internal. Usually you'll see your extension number here. If you want something different, search for and select the desired extension from the drop-down list. There is an option to have multiple extensions or phone numbers called during this first step. Click the Add Number option. You can choose internal or external for the second extension type drop-down list. Since I selected external, I now need to add the desired phone number here and include my international prefix as part of it. For customers in the United States, that number is 1. I won't do so for this video, but you can click the Add Number options to include even more extensions or phone numbers in this first step if desired. Click Show Options to customize the first step. This setting controls which caller ID is displayed for ring steps, including external numbers. When this is enabled, the caller ID of the original caller is displayed. When disabled, the line's external caller ID is displayed. Let's look at the call screening options. You can view connection options, each accompanied by a description below. The ring time determines the number of seconds the call will ring before passing to the next ring step. We can proceed to the additional steps unless we would like to forward the unanswered call to someone else. Let's add another step by clicking the Add Ring Step button. This added second step functions like the first, where you select the desired extension or phone number. If you are selecting a user with more than one extension, ensure that the desired one is selected. If needed, to delete this step, click the trash icon. Although I will not do so for this video, clicking the Add Ring Step button could create a third step. Let's look at the If No Answer, Send to Step. Click on it. You can specify the next step from this list if the call is not picked up during the previous steps. Voicemail sends the caller to the voicemail of the line. Internal sends the caller to a specified internal extension. External sends the caller to a specified external number. With Transfer, if the call was transferred to the line, this option will return the call to the party that initiated the transfer. If the call was not transferred to the line, it hangs up on the caller. The Hang Up option hangs up on the caller. I'm going to choose Voicemail. This will go to the voicemail box associated with the first extension in Step 1. The if call fails, send to step defines what happens if the call fails, such as in the case of an internet or power outage. The unspecified option follows the no answer, send to ring step. In my case, the call would go to voicemail. With internal, the call is sent to a specified extension. To avoid routing calls to another device affected by the same outage, we recommend using failover to an internal extension only if you have multiple locations on the same system, like offices in different states. Finally, with external number, the call is sent to the specified external number. I'm going to select unspecified. Be sure to click Save once you're done. That's all there is to use the Find Me, Follow Me option for your extensions using the GoTo desktop app. Thanks for watching the video. I've included links to other videos about GoTo's products and services. Be sure to subscribe to our channel